Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to switch to photo mode on TikTok. Basically TikTok is a platform where you can simply upload short videos, but now TikTok has come up with another update, which means you can simply upload photos on TikTok also. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply, first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply search for TikTok here. And after searching TikTok, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, you can simply update your TikTok. After updating, what you have to do, you have to simply open the TikTok, and after opening you have to check whether it is showing photo mode or not. And how you can find that, for this you have to click on that plus button, and here you can find the option of photo mode and video mode. In video mode you can simply select the duration of the videos, which mean 15 second, 10 60 second and 10 minutes also. And in photo mode you can simply take a photo and upload the photo on your TikTok account. In this way you can simply get the photo mode by simply click on the plus button if you have an updated version of the TikTok without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.